Take a ride in the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, one owner. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.